my parents' friends from all over the world
Yeah.
congratulated them, and there were a very few section of people, I would say 1%, were
Yeah.
just very very cold about it. I think 35 का हो गया था जब मैं, तो पेरेंटिंग की जो इंस्टिंक्ट्स होती है, पैटर्नल इंस्टिंक्ट जो होती है, वो उभर के आने लगी थी विद पेट्स एंड यू नो विद माय पपी एट होम. तो आई स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग कि शादी करने के लिए ज़िंदगी भर वेट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन एक फादर बनने के लिए यू कांट वेट ऑल योर लाइफ.
Yeah.
So I was getting a little nervous कि my energy is high right now and I can have a child. 15-20 साल बाद जब मैं 50 का हो जाऊँगा तो you know I won't be able to play with my child the way I can now. So I have to think about this fast. So I was quite excited. But then the nervousness kicks in. So it took me a month or 2 months to actually start the process.
But you know, how come you never ever thought of adopting? आपने कैसे decide किया that you know this is it? मुझे surrogacy ही करना है.
मुझे अपना बच्चा चाहिए था. And maybe I will adopt in the future. We never know. There's never, you never say never to anything. But
you wanted that
yes.
sense of belonging.
Absolutely. If people who get married and if people who have the typical stereotypical families, if they would like to have their own kids, why can't I? You know, as a single parent.
Yes.
पता नहीं क्यों ये होता है कि अगर आप सिंगल हो और अगर आप अपना बच्चा चाहते हो तो लोग बोलते हैं कि आप अडॉप्ट क्यों नहीं कर लेते. अरे लग बुरी दुनिया मतलब खुद के बच्चे पैदा कर रही है, हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं, you know?
Absolutely, that's such a lovely thing. But single parenting, it like you said, it's exhausting. It's a mammoth kind of task.
Yes.
But कभी second guess किया खुद को?
बिल्कुल नहीं, क्योंकि मतलब कि नर्वसनेस जैसे मैंने कहा, कुछ sleepless nights तो थे obviously because of the whole brouhaha that happens in our country with anything and everything, and there's an opinion about anything and everything. So that was making me a bit nervous. But the most pleasant and surprising part of this whole process was that मेरे parents मेरे मतलब support में थे.
Yeah.
जब मैंने पहली बार actually 6-8 महीने बाद, you know, after starting the IVF process, after the IVF was successful, after the surrogacy began, then after that, after a few months when the tests were all okay, then I told my mother. Yeah, I was very sure, you know how I am.
Really? Yeah, you. I know, of course.
I don't even tell them which movie I've signed. They're like, why you don't tell us? I said, no, I don't want to tell
But
you.
yeah, you are like that. You've always been like that, and they were very supportive.
They were very, mom said that it's your decision, but are you ready? Agar aap ready hain, then we are ready. It doesn't matter to us. But she did mention to me once, ki, you know, I can only be a grandparent. I can't be a parent with thinking that you're going to, you know, like leave it all to me.
Yeah.
Mom will take care. That's not going to happen.
Yeah,
So I was ready I was prepared to shoulder the responsibility. And then she told me, I said, you tell him, I won't tell him. Because he's very...
Yeah, and also that relationship then, you know, is different with your mom, I think, and with, you know, your dad, it's
absolutely, and he's that quintessential Indian guy, you know, he's very traditional, very bit conservative, but he's liberal also in the sense, and he was okay with it. ठीक है ना, अच्छा है ना, शादी करके divorce होने से better तो यही है, you know.
Amazing.
So he was quite cool about it,
Yeah.
And
that was brilliant, I think.
And then I think before Laksh was born, a month before Laksh was born, I told my sister. Finally, I told her. Before my mom was like hopping mad, like, tell your sister, she's the sister.
How can you not? But she didn't feel bad that you didn't tell her and like...
No, she was okay about it. She knew that she's the third person I'm saying it to. And
okay.
Yeah.
Now, तुषार, कोई एक incident या story बताओ जब तुम्हें लगा कि yes, I made the right choice by, you know, bringing Laksh into my life.
There were a few. Not too many, but sleepless nights कि have I done the right thing? What is going to be the reaction? इंडिया में हूँ, क्या मतलब बवाल होते हैं ना, बवाल कहते हैं ना, बवाल खड़ा हो जाएगा, क्या होगा, मतलब इस इंडस्ट्री से हूँ और ऊपर से मतलब.
But I think everybody really supported you.
Yeah, but when Laksh came home, जो reactions थे, जो मतलब पॉजिटिविटी थी, मैंने अनाउंस्ड हिम. एक्चुअली ही केम होम, उसके बाद मैंने थोड़े दिन मतलब प्लान किया कि मैं कैसे अनाउंस करूँगा. आई हैड टू अनाउंस इट क्योंकि स्पेकुलेशन बहुत होती है कि अकेले कैसे बच्चा हो गया, ये वो. So when I announced him, then there was a lot of positivity, there was a lot of media support, a lot of industry support. My parents' friends from all over the world congratulated them. And there were a very few section of people, I would say 1%, who were actually very close to us, and they were just very, very cold about it. I don't know why. Sometimes your closest people can shock you.
Yeah,
you know
absolutely. That always happens.
But I think that's also, that's resentment. That's not really, they're not really old school or very traditional. They just not happy for you, I guess. Sometimes that happens, but ठीक है, मतलब एक नज़र बटू चाहिए होता है जब इतनी अच्छी चीज़ आती है.
Yeah.
You need that one little.
that one moment that actually when you saw Laksh and you were like, no, this is it. And
No,
the
actually when
happiest
the
man.
I'll be very honest, when the pictures came from the hospital, तो बच्चे जब पैदा होते तो अलग ही लगते, तो मुझे थोड़ा शौक लगा कि ये क्या हो गया, you know, what have I done, is this the right thing, this baby is looking very different. And then my mom told me they all look like that for a few days, you know, because they look red, they look, I think, very pale, and they look red.
Yeah,
and
it takes that time. In fact, I think every month, every week, the features keep changing.
But once he came into my arms and I put him in the cot, and I woke up that morning, I think I slept for 3-4 hours only. I think he came at 6 in the morning, and then I think I went back to sleep. 2 घंटे बाद मैं वापस उठा. From then on, it's been Disneyland.